ಅಜ್ಜ ಶಿವ ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಜ್ಜ ಧನುಷ್.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ is planning to consult parents before June 12th to decide date of reopening of schools.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್. A positive development for Indians COVID-19 vaccine. Moderna moves second phase testing. Overwork doctors at Mumbai in Kim Hospital share or deal with Maharashtra CM. Indian apps to replace China popular apps. Share chat to TikTok. Adobe scan to cam scanner. Indian selfie camera to beauty plus and you can perfect. Google Drive to WPES office. Photo video maker to Viva Video. Geo browser. Epic V browser to UC browser. Dear Bharat, we request to use alternative apps to China to promote Indian apps, and also we have shared Indian products list. Please do use Indian products. And in India, 2,07,191 confirmed cases, 1,01,077 are active, 1,02,85 are recovered, and 5,829 are dead.
And in Karnataka, 3,796 are confirmed cases, 2,339 are active, 1,403 are recovered, and 52 dead.
Totally in world, 64,84,939 confirmed cases, 30,92,088 are active, 30,10,483 are recovered, and 3,82,368 are dead. Wednesday's joke. Teacher asked class, we will have only half day of school this morning. So class said, hooray. So teacher said, we will have the other half this afternoon. So class said, ouch.
Coming to today's weather report, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 5:52 ಇವತ್ತು ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗೋದು 6:43.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಭಾರತ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿದೀವಿ.
Let's sign off with me, Ajay Shiva
and Ajay Dhanush from PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM.